Welcome to cleanandsecuregrid.org, an informational website for the Clean and Secure Grid Initiative. To better understand the Clean and Secure Grid Initiative, we must first examine the publication the project is based upon, entitled Future Cost Competitive Electricity Systems and Their Impact on U.S. Carbon Dioxide Emissions. While renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power have long been hailed as a low-carbon energy production solution in the face of climate change, their wide-scale implementation has been slow-going. This is mainly due to the intermittency problems associated with wind and solar power generation. Therefore, increased usage of wind and solar power is dependent on two factors. 1. Proving that there is enough wind and solar power produced in the lower 48 states to generate enough electricity to meet the nation's needs. And 2. To determine a way to efficiently transport this renewable energy from where it is produced to where it is needed, regardless of transmission distance. Unique high-frequency weather modeling techniques were used in this publication to accurately portray real-time solar and wind generation. The intensity of wind and solar power was then transformed to equivalent power generation. This technique pinpointed the best areas for mass solar and wind power generation, and also confirmed that at any given point in time, solar and wind power is produced somewhere in the contiguous 48 states. Data obtained in the study was plotted in a time-elapsed fashion in order to visualize solar power generation across the United States. Scientists concluded that areas producing large amounts of solar power change with time of day. Therefore, placing solar farms and other renewable power generation stations in various parts of the country will maximize renewable penetration into the grid in a carbon-neutral way. Using this weather information, many optimization models were run in order to determine the carbon and monetary savings achieved from different energy production combinations. Only high penetration of wind and solar energy sources into the electric grid resulted in controlled electricity costs and an up to 78% reduction in carbon emissions. This scenario can only be realized by implementing a highly efficient electricity transmission system. Currently, wind and solar cannot be widely implemented because power generated from these sources cannot be transported far. The fact that wind and solar farms are often necessarily located in remote places compounds this problem. Thankfully, the technology necessary to solve this issue already exists. High-voltage direct current cabling is the solution to renewable grid penetration in today's economy. More exploration of the components involved in creating this HVDC system can be viewed in video 2. Thanks for watching.